Hello students, I am Anju Prajapat. Welcome to our YouTube channel Krishnam Group of Education of Krishnam Public Senior Secondary School. Today we read chapter 3. We are special. Okay, we are special in many ways. Okay, like we can see, we can hear, we can say. We are special because we can do all these things, but those who cannot do these things, they are more special than us. Okay, now we start chapter 3. If we cover your eyes and ask you to read, okay? If I covered your eyes and ask you to read, then would you able to read? Would you able to read? Your answer will be no. No, because our eyes are closed. Okay? Our eyes are closed. We can't see anything. Okay? However, there are many people in the world who cannot see, but they can read. How can they read? We study in this chapter. Helen Keller was one such person who could not see, but she was a famous writer. Okay, Helen Keller was one such person. Okay, who is can't see. Okay, who is blind, but she was a very famous writer. Okay, how can she write? Okay, now question is, how can she write? Now answer is, she can write. Okay, we learned in this chapter how can she write. These to do, keep things to do, keep different types of pens, pencils, sketch pens, etc., which are similar in appearance. Okay, appearance means look wise same हो वो. Okay, in a bag made up of thick cloth. और उसे किस में रखेंगे? बैग में, जो किसका बना हुआ हो? थिक मतलब मोटे क्लोथ का. Ask your friend to put his hand in the bag and try to identify any one of these items with closed eyes. Okay, after this you say your friend, okay, to put his hand in the bag and try to identify. Try to identify means उसे पहचानने को बोलो कि वो थिंग्स क्या है, वो आइटम्स क्या है, और किसके साथ? क्लोज्ड आइज के साथ. उसकी आइज कैसी हो? क्लोज्ड हो. ओके, इन द सेम वे आस्क all your friends to recognize each items in turns. Okay, इसके turns it means बारी बारी से अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स को इस आइटम्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करने को बोलो. ओके, you must have identified them by touching. Okay, you must have identified them by touching. You can आइडेंटिफाई दैम. ओके, बाय टचिंग. आप टच करके उन्हें क्या कर सकते हो? आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, पहचान सकते हो. सिमिलरली those people who cannot see recognize the letters by touching them. Okay, how can she read? By touching them. Okay, people who cannot see recognize the letters by touching them with the help of a special script. Okay, with the help of special script, एक स्पेशल लिपि के थ्रू वो इन सभी लेटर्स को रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. दे कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पेशल स्क्रिप्ट नॉन एज द ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट. और उस स्क्रिप्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? वी नॉन these script as braille script. Let's know braille script. Okay, अब हम ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में जानेंगे. ओके. In Braille script, there are embossed. Embossed means raised, उभरे हुए indications. Okay, indications for all the letters like A, B, C. Figure 3.1. We can see these in figure 3.1. Okay, notions of Braille script. These are the dots which are imposed, okay, embossed, they are raised. Okay, in this system the shapes of all the letters are formed with 6 embossed dots. Okay, इस सिस्टम में है जो लेटर्स है वो 6 डॉट्स को एम्बोस्ड रेज्ड करके उभार के बनाए गए हैं ताकि जो ब्लाइंड पर्सन है वो रीड कर सके. ओके. नाउ अ थिक शीट ऑफ अ पेपर इज प्लेस्ड ऑन अ वुडन स्लेब. स्लेब इट मीन्स पीस ऑफ वुडन. ओके, वुडन स्लेब मीन्स पीस ऑफ वुड, वुडन पीस. तो हम क्या लेंगे, एक पेपर लेंगे, उसे वुडन स्लेब पे रखेंगे, प्लेस करेंगे. पुट द पेपर शीट ऑन द वुडन स्लेब. अ स्पेशल स्केल इज देयर ऑन द पेपर ऑन which there are groups of 6 dots each in a row. Okay, उनके सभी रो में कितने डॉट्स होंगे, 6 डॉट्स. लेट्स काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, देयर आर 6 डॉट्स इन 1 रो. On that paper we write the letter by making a hole accordingly with the help of a pointed pen. Okay, हम उसके ऊपर लेटर बनाएंगे with the help of pointed pen. Okay, this is pointed pen. With the help of pointed pen we making these letters. Okay, which is known as stylus. और जिसे हम उस पेन को हम किस नाम से जानते हैं, स्टाइलस. ओके, दिस पेन इज कॉल्ड स्टाइलस. If we want to write a letter A, then a hole is made with a pointed pen on the first dot. अगर हमें क्या बनाना है, A बनाना है, तो हम उस पॉइंटेड पेन से फर्स्ट डॉट पे क्या करेंगे, पॉइंट करेंगे उसे. ओके. आफ्टर दिस द पेपर इज टर्न्ड ओवर एंड द होल्स मेड कैन बी फेल्ट. ओके, आफ्टर दिस द पेपर इज टर्न्ड ओवर. इसके बाद में हम क्या करेंगे, पेपर को पलट देंगे तो जो होल हमने बनाया था वो इजीली रेज्ड होगा. तो हम उसे क्या कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फील एज रेज्ड डॉट्स ऑन द बैक साइड. ओके, जो बैक साइड, पेपर के बैक साइड पे जो पेपर पे छपा है वो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इजीली फील कर सकते हैं. वी कैन इजीली फील एज रेज्ड डॉट्स ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ शीट. By touching them, whatever is written on that paper can be read, and by touching them we can touch that letters and find out the written letter. Okay, things to do. The word India is written below in Braille script. Okay, you also try to write your name in Braille script with the help of Braille script chart. Okay, there are Braille script chart, you can write your name also. Okay, यहाँ पे इंडिया का नाम लिखा हुआ है ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट में. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट योर नेम इन ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट. ओके, इन्वेंशन ऑफ ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट. Now we discuss about invention of Braille script. there was a person named Louis Braille. Okay, there was a person whose name is Louis Braille, and he belonged to France. He belonged to France. Okay, he lived in France. During his childhood, once he was playing. Okay, during his childhood, once he was playing in his father's workshop. Okay, where? In his father's workshop, and his eyes got injured. और वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Where happened? His eyes got injured. उसकी आँखें हैं वो क्या हो गई? Eyes injured हो गई, चोटिल हो गई. He became blind. Okay, he became blind. वो blind हो गया. Louis Braille was a brilliant student. Okay, Louis Braille was brilliant student. It means intelligent student. Louis Braille was being taught using a special technique. Okay, Louis Braille was being taught using a special technique. Okay, उसे किसी स्पेशल टेक्निक के थ्रू टॉट किया जाता था, पढ़ाया जाता था. It was very difficult to teach him from the books and it took a lot of time. Or it was difficult to teach him because he is blind and it take lot of time. One day a captain of the army visited his school. Okay, one day a captain of army visited in his school. एक स्कूल में कैप्टन आया एक दिन, and he showed a script based on 12 dots developed by him. और उन्होंने एक स्क्रिप्ट शो की जिसमें क्या थे? 12 डॉट्स डेवलप्ड किए गए थे, उभारे गए थे उसमें. ओके, तो देन अ कैप्टन showed him a script based on 12 dots to the students and teachers. Okay, for the students and teachers. Louis Braille became highly impressed by that script. Okay, जो लुइस ब्रेल था वो इस स्क्रिप्ट के थ्रू काफ़ी इम्प्रेस हुआ, हाईली इम्प्रेस्ड. ही मेड मैनी एफर्ट्स एंड मॉडिफाइड द 12 dots writing method into 6 dots method. Okay, he made efforts. उसने क्या किया? एफर्ट्स डाले, मैनी एफर्ट्स. ओके, एंड मॉडिफाइड, और उसे मॉडिफाई कर दिया 12 डॉट से हाउ मैनी डॉट्स में? 6 डॉट्स में. Therefore, this script developed by Louis Braille was given the name Braille script. Okay, by this script developed by Louis Braille was given the name Braille script. Okay, because he modified 12 dots method into 6 dots method, and his name is Louis Braille. Now his name was given to script, Braille script. Now you know that how those person who are unable to see. Okay, now we learn that how those persons who are unable to see, who are blind, can read and write. Now we can say that blind person can read and write. But you must have seen some person who can't speak and hear. Okay, you have seen some person who can't speak and hear. These people express themselves by doing actions. Okay, these people express themselves. वो खुद को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? by through indications and their hands actions. Let's study how these people understand the language of gesture. ओके, ये सब लोग अपने जो लैंग्वेज है जेस्चर वाली, हाव भाव वाली, ओके, वो कैसे समझते हैं, कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. हाउ कैन दे अंडरस्टैंड? Divide the class into two groups. Okay, this is the activity. Okay, divide the class into two groups. One of the members of each group will give instruction. Okay, one of the member each group मतलब एक जो टू ग्रुप्स हमने डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उनमें से वन ग्रुप का वन मेंबर इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा, और वो भी कैसे? विदाउट स्पीकिंग, बाय जस्ट यूजिंग जेस्चर ओनली। वो कैसे याद कर बोल सकता है? अपने जेस्चर से। जेस्चर मीन्स हाव भाव से। विद हैंड्स लाइक स्टैंड अप, कम हियर, ओपन योर बुक एक्सेट्रा। ओके, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द सेकेंड ग्रुप विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। और सेकेंड ग्रुप को क्या करना है? उन्हें अंडरस्टैंड करने का ट्राई करना है, कोशिश करनी है। द इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन यूजिंग जेस्चर एंड परफॉर्म द सेम। ओके, आपको उनको जेस्चर देने हैं और कैसे देने हैं? सेम परफॉर्म करके। नाउ द वे यू अंडरस्टूड द इंस्ट्रक्शन थ्रू जेस्चर, सिमिलरली फॉर दोज पीपल who can't speak and hear, a special type of language known as symbolic language is used. Okay, जैसे आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे के आपके फ्रेंड्स को बताना है, वैसे ही जो लोग नहीं बोल सकते हैं, who cannot speak and hear, they use this special language and which is known as symbolic language. Okay, which is known as symbolic language. The picture of symbolic language is given. Okay, these are the pictures and these are the spelling. Okay, this is picture showing the symbolic language. Okay, this picture of symbolic language are given below. With the help of these figure, try to make your classmates understand the word boy without speaking. Okay, आपको अपने क्लासमेट्स को समझाना है बिना बोले. Okay, without speaking. You can ask more such words. Okay, और भी आप जो वर्ड्स हैं वो यूज में ले सकते हैं. कैसे? थ्रू दिस सिम्बॉलिक लैंग्वेज. Now this chapter is complete. You have any doubt, please write in comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.